I got a pocket full of dreams, baby, I'm from New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York.
Y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amayanicole. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome. And if you're a returner, welcome back.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the INSTA run. Used to drive a Nissan, now she in a Pima. I don't want her.
As y'all seen by that title, y'all, it's a vlog, but it's really gonna be called Surviving My 20s because adulting is too much, and that is what we finna do in this video, is go be an adult. So I need an oil change. I also got like a tire light on, so that's what we finna go do now. Y'all, I'm not in the mood because my period started today, and that is just making me not want to do nothing. This part of my throat is hurting right now. I got an assignment that's due tonight, and honestly, I'm not in the mood for none of this. So we're gonna go do it anyways because we're grown. Yeah, and that's what you need to do. And then I also brought my computer and stuff so that way I could do work while they do my oil change. Yeah, I made it. As y'all can see, y'all see the Nissan sign? I made it. I'm in here. There's actually nobody in here. It's only one other car that's in front of me right now. But I told him I needed an oil change. He didn't even let me get the rest out of saying that I need something with the tires. And that I want y'all to wash my car too. And wipe down the inside because she needs to be clean. And Skylar is real dirty right now. That's her name. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay. But yeah, she needs to be clean. So hopefully, I'm trying to watch because it's awkward when they start walking up to your car and you recording. That's weird. But y'all, I look busted. Y'all had to work today. I just gotta put my hair in a ponytail. No gel, no edge control. Y'all, today is a day, okay? I have no energy. On the scale from 1 to 10, I'm probably at like a 5 right now, and I'm sleepy, and I'm just surviving my 20s, man. Trying to. I told him I didn't have an appointment today, and he said, okay, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna get somebody to help you. So I'm just sitting here waiting for somebody to come help me, I guess. I was expecting this little thing to be packed out, and nobody is here right now. But maybe all the cars are somewhere else, and I don't know. But it's 4 o'clock, so let's see how long we end up here. Hopefully, not that I want to be here all day, but hopefully I'm here long enough to finish my assignment. So, my baby. Now I got my computer here. I'm finally in here, sitting down in the waiting area. Y'all, I'm trying to do this work. But their connection kind of sucks when it comes to my laptop. Even though I'm connected and it's just moving so slow. I don't know why. Opened up another link, so now it's kind of working. But what I told them to give me an oil change. I told them to rotate my tires because that's what the dude said. I think he said it's a tire rotation. And then I also told them to wash my car. So hopefully she's clean on the outside. She needs to be clean on the inside too, but not gonna lie, I didn't want to ask for all of that. I felt like I'm doing a lot. So I didn't ask. I'm gonna do schoolwork. Right now it's currently 4:26. We will see what time he ends up coming back. I asked him how long does he think it's gonna take, and he told me that it should probably take like an hour and a half, but he said he might be done before that. So
My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my dairy, and you can stare at it, if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it.
they cleaned my car for me. How gorgeous is she? Y'all look. And they vacuum the floors. My girl is cute. We ain't got no lights or nothing on. And y'all look, they vacuumed. I love that for me. She is gorgeous. I love Skylar. Skylar is ready and she got that oil. And that's how many miles we got, but we'll be back. It's 16, so, yep. Okay, now that we are done handling grown folks' business for right now, we are, I kind of want to go to Five and Below because that is my happy place. That is my happy store. When I'm not in the mood for anything, I'm always in the mood to go to Five and Below. So we're finna go to Five and Below. And I want to go to Ross because I'm looking for something gift-wise for my man, y'all. And yeah, I can't say what it is because he be watching my video. So, but we're looking for something. If I find it, then y'all will know. But at the same time, I'm kind of in the mood to walk around the store for just about 30 minutes. Just not too long because I still got work that needs to be turned in by 11:59. But since I'm close and around in the area, I'm gonna go ahead and stop. And also, I have not eaten anything, so I'm hungry. But we'll do that later. You know, I'm not starving, but I am hungry though. Yeah, I ended up forgetting to tell y'all what time I got done and what time I got my car back. But it was like 5:20, and right now it's like 5:30 something. I'm just gonna say like 5:36, something like that. But we made it to Five and Below. Hello. So look at all the yeah, but look how cute. See, this is cute girly stuff. I actually, while I was driving, I decided that I'm also going to go to the dollar store because I really want to get him. I'm not gonna make him like a gift basket because I feel like I always do that. So instead of, okay, well, I might make him a gift basket. I might lie when I said that, but I want to make some type of gift, something like just something small and cute because you know my funds aren't super long, so we gotta do what we can do. But I can get a little something. And I don't know if I just want to put it in a gift bag or a basket. We'll figure it out. But I'm going to the dollar store to get the bag or basket, whatever I decide. All this stuff is too girly. He's not going to do nothing with none of this. He do like Oreos. Heart-shaped. Like, these are cute. I wouldn't buy too many things because they are $5. Baby, that add up. Oh, my goodness. That's so cute. They heart-shaped. I'm gonna get one of these. These actually smell really good. It's obviously a men's spray, but it smells really good. Get it for him anytime he does start running low. So we will be getting that. It's just something to put in his bag. Honestly, we've been looking for matching keychains, but we ain't been able to find none. Like all of these are talking about bestie. That is not my best friend, baby. That's my man. That is my man. He's trying to be good one small thing. See, yeah, they ain't got no more miscellaneous stuff. I'm gonna get me another 10-foot charger. I keep on chargers. Ooh, wait a second. Look at these Apple Watch bands, y'all. These are so cute. I really don't need to change my Apple Watch band. My Apple Watch band, there's nothing wrong with my band. I didn't know they had a Five Nights at Freddy AirPod case. I wonder if he would like that. See, okay, but look. Oh, maybe he would like these. He got a Rick and Morty. Oh, wait, he ain't got the pros. He got the regular. I think these are for the regular. Yeah. Oh, they got a Beetlejuice one. Look, y'all, this be the thing, is that the top part of these cases get lost when they not connected. Like, I done bought so many 2-piece cases and they be falling off. Like, the top he be putting his AirPods in his pocket, so he would need something flat like this. Y'all, I ended up grabbing this black case. It's super plain, but my favorite color is black. We got this, like I showed y'all. We got the charger, I showed y'all. We got the spray. Y'all, he need a new gaming headset. Would it be wrong to get a gaming headset from Five Below? Like, would it work good? Or y'all think I should search for Ross? I told y'all I wasn't gonna tell y'all what I was gonna get, but honestly, I'm just gonna tell him not to watch this video because it's definitely getting posted before Valentine's Day, so I don't know. Last one I bought him was off Amazon, so I think I'll just look at Ross. And if they don't have it at Ross, if I could find a decently priced one on Amazon that isn't too expensive, then I'll get one out of Amazon. But okay, we're here. I bought my little one thing for me at Five Below, which is that phone case, so I'm not getting nothing else unnecessary. Now, if I find a headset in here that's cheap and reasonable, then we'll grab it. But let's see if we can find it. And if not, I'm walking right back out and we will be going to the dollar store. And I'll be done. Well, somewhat done. Pretty much done with my Valentine's shopping. Yeah, wait. I think I might have found something. Wireless. Oh my gosh, nope. These are regular headphones. Not meant for a game system. Also, headphones. Nothing in here for a game. That is really amazing me. All this stuff, but not the one thing I'm looking for. All right, last store. Where we at? Dollar Tree. I was in that Ross for all of 5 minutes, and they didn't have what I need, so we left. Now we're gonna go to the dollar store. We're gonna grab a couple things to fit in a bag, mixed with stuff that I just got up from Five Below, and honestly, I probably am going to order him a headset, but I guess, you know, whenever my Valentine's Day vlog comes out, because I will be making a video for Valentine's, because I'll be cute and I won't be looking as dusty. Y'all will see everything I get. Which one of these bags actually look like they're for a male? None of these are giving boy, but I don't know. I don't really like that bag. That's kind of cute. Let's do that. These? What y'all think? There are cuter bags up here, right? I don't know, y'all. This is actually not that cute. The more that I look at it, the more I start to dislike it. Let's do this one. This is cute. This is very girly. You're gonna get it anyways.
On the face, you can saw the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days off you, baby, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. And on, there's another one.
This right here is a little gift bag look, but it's looking like it's about to bust, so I'm done adding stuff in there. I wanted to add a drink, but they don't have no drinks that I think he would like, so that's what he's gonna get. And then these chips are for me, y'all, because they gluten free, and that's also for my apartment. But yeah, this is gonna be for the headset. So I'm back in my room. I made me some tuna and I'm gonna eat with these chips. Y'all, ever since I started being gluten-free, y'all, I have not really been eating bread. Like, even the gluten-free bread that I bought, just because it's nasty. Like, it's so nasty. So now everything that goes to bread, I've been either avoiding or just eating, like, it alone and by itself. So I'm gonna eat this and then get started on, like, more homework. Well, the same assignment that I was doing when I was at the dealership. So, but I'm gonna eat first.
Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on,
I finished my assignment that was due tonight. Now I'm laying down because my stomach is hurting. So using this heating pad and I'm watching YouTube. That's it for right now. I don't have nothing else going on. I'm of course not doing nothing else for the rest of the night because it is currently 11:41. So can y'all tell how tired I am? Just look at me. But I took a shower and stuff, so I'm just laying here relaxing now. I really have any plans for tomorrow, but if I do, then we'll incorporate tomorrow. But if not, then I still will end up talking to y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, good afternoon. It's the next day. I told y'all I would come back the next day, but I just came back from Kroger. I actually forgot to pick y'all up and take y'all in there with me, but I didn't get nothing special. We got some pads. Also got some overnight pads as well because I also need to restock my apartment. So with the pads, anyway, which is why I got 2 packs. But yeah. So anyways, let me just tell y'all, I haven't done nothing today because I woke up with cramps and my stomach was hurting. So I just been laying down, watching YouTube, scrolling on TikTok. I haven't done literally nothing. This is the first time I got out the house and I came right back. So I'm not gonna do anything. There's really nothing to record. I do got some assignments that I can do, which I am going to do, but I'm sure y'all don't want to see that, like, you know. But I also woke up to y'all an email from my school talking about I got like a $500 and something balance, and I'm like, how, when I had all this financial aid money? So anyways, I tried to call them. Of course they're not open because it's a Saturday, so I will have to get that figured out on Monday, like immediately. So I'm not paying it, not gonna lie. But yeah, so that's how my day been going. I really have nothing else to record unless I were to pick y'all back up Monday. I do plan on maybe going somewhere tomorrow, but I don't know. Anyways, it was just supposed to be a chill video, but I have nothing else to show y'all. Seriously, I don't. But I will see y'all in the next video because I do got an amazing vlog coming out for Valentine's and just that whole overall for next week. I got stuff going on, so I have that to record, but I want to make sure I'm uploading for y'all because I know y'all miss me when I'm gone. The last video was posted like 5 days ago or something like that, so make sure y'all go and tune in to the nail video. We're getting into the nail content. Make sure you also go and follow my nail page, which the title of it is right here. Also, it's in the description box, so do that. Follow me on all my socials. It'll keep you up to date on whatever I upload, really, in day-to-day life. But thanks so much for watching. Let me know if y'all like this, if I should start and make it a series of surviving my 20s, if that's what I end up titling the video, because I'm still on the fence about this title. I don't really know if I want to title it something else or keep it like that. I don't know. I guess you will know once you click on this video. But I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Amaya is out. Taboo.
I just keep it real,
High volume.
Am I really that much?